Good morning from my bedroom. Last night was rough. I actually had a little breakdown because I couldn't sleep. My entire body is in pain, from my legs to my back to my arms, to my head. Like I have just like a headache that is there. But I got dressed today. I'll show you my outfit. I put regular pants on and a t-shirt. And it's the outfit of the day.
How are you feeling, sleepy?
I'm feeling foggy, like...
Okay. I'm sorry if I didn't help more.
No, you helped enough. I'm sorry you helped enough.
Okay. I'll give you a massage today. Are you feeling sore still?
Mm-hmm. So this is a little mechanism that tells you your oxygen levels. So this is what I was using when it told me that I was 87. Now 97, so good stuff.
I guess I'm rough enough for 3. Stupid trash! That's not the field. That's my car.
And that is not even rough enough for 1.
Breakfast is avocado toast with egg on top. Yummy. So I thought I'd show you guys what program I use to edit. So it's called InShot. It's this one here. And it's so easy. Like you literally just add all of your clips through here. Oh shoot. Damn it. Let me just do that. Okay. And then you just kind of like put all the clips together here. You have your transitions in between. You can add text, stickers, music, like everything here. So it's like super easy to like splice. You just kind of like go here and you hit split, and then you can delete it or whatever you want to do. It's really easy. I'm editing yesterday's video here, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna go get the mail. All right, so I'm going to edit the podcast. I'm going to use this computer down here. All right, we have salmon, quinoa, green beans, and a dinner roll. Hi guys, I haven't checked in that much today. I am very sleepy, but I'm trying to fight it so that I can fall asleep very quickly tonight, because last night was a horrible night and I couldn't fall asleep. So the house is a little messy. I'll show you. So I was working on the podcast today, so it's a little messy. And the kitchen is actually very messy because I just made dinner. I made salmon with couscous or quinoa, and it's a little messy. So I'm going to clean it up while I watch an episode of Queer Eye. So I will check in with you guys when everything is clean. This is as good as it's gonna get. But the kitchen's very much cleaned up. Except for that. Doesn't matter. Are you laughing at me?
Always.
Okay. Anyway, I am tired, so I'm going to finish the episode of Queer Eye and then go shower and then drink my tea, and hopefully I just pass out because I'm tired. So good night.